Let's talk tires. Here's a cold hard fact. All-season tires really aren't made for all seasons. Here's why. The science of 7 degrees. You see, when temperatures drop to 7 degrees Celsius or lower, the rubber compounds in all-season tires become hard and stiff, resulting in up to 25% loss of stopping performance. It's science. It happens at 7 degrees Celsius. And it means less grip, even on dry pavement with all-season tires. The solution? Winter tires. Here are 4 reasons why. 1. Softer rubber compounds, specially formulated to remain more pliable for more grip when temperatures drop to 7 degrees Celsius or lower. 2. Beefier tread design. Deep, aggressive ridges that help channel water, snow, and slush away from the tire for improved traction. 3. Biting groove edges. Jagged surfaces designed to chew through snow and ice for better control. 4. Variable thickness sipes. Hairline cuts in the tread that increase surface contact for enhanced performance in the cold. In fact, winter tires perform so much better in the cold than all-season tires, they create something known as the physics of 4. It means you really need winter tires on all 4 corners of your vehicle. Here's why. Put only 2 winter tires on the front of your vehicle, and their extra grip could cause oversteer. Uh-oh. Likewise, put only 2 winter tires on the back of your vehicle, and their extra traction might cause understeer. That's gonna leave a mark. So, put the science of 7 degrees Celsius and the physics of 4 winter tires to work for you this winter. To learn more, visit a Mopar tire expert at your local Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat dealer. Mopar. We built it. We know it.